Scientists and experts agree climate change is going to be the toughest challenge of this generation. And yet, nothing ever seems to change, and many young people feel hopeless and unable to help. The first step is to start here in UCD. Looking around campus, there are so many ways to help. From stocking and selling organic foods and banning single-use plastic items, to providing recycling units and promoting green transport, the possibilities are endless. Climate change is such a uniquely complex problem that there exists no single, straightforward solution to it. What is important is to continue spreading awareness about the issue, and then to make individual choices and actions that will help the environment. Yet, there is more we can do, such as pushing institutions themselves to take long-term green action. UCD consistently ranks first in all STEM subjects and technological innovation. And that is why we encourage the college to lead Ireland by example. We know that the college can engage in ambitious projects, and an example of which would be to install more solar panels like those that already exist on the roofs of certain buildings. The motto of UCD is Ad Astra, signifying to the stars. Let us show the rest of Ireland how deserving we are of it.